Hi, I'm Ed Reyes with Master Builders here in Tampa, Florida. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to teach you the proper use of an electric scroll saw. Now this saw has a reciprocating blade on it, and it's just one long thin blade, and has two holes, one on top and one on bottom. The way you change the blade is there is a black knob here, and there's also a black knob right here on the bottom. And they're little plastic knobs, so you would unscrew them, untighten it on both sides. This knob back here releases, and it brings this down so that the blade is not tight anymore, it's loose. And you would pull the blade out towards you and up away. If you'll notice, there's a section right here on the top part that is indented that allows that blade to come forward and come out. To install the new blade, it's just the same process but backwards. You install the blade in and into the unit, and you hear it click into that little area, and you tighten both sides, top and bottom. The important thing about installing this blade is you always need to make sure that the teeth are facing down. You do not want the teeth facing up. If the teeth are facing up, the blade will bind up on you, and it more than likely will break. So always remember when you install the new blade that the teeth are facing down, and that you make sure you have them inserted into your little notch and tightened on both top and bottom.